Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new listing for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out at 4678 North Sweet Bay Lane in the new phase of North Pointe. This was just listed today for $830. Has a double wide RV garage, paver drive. Of course, this is in North Pointe, so it is a plan unit development and all the homes are going to be similar. Have to meet architectural and design guidelines. So all these homes have underground utilities and natural gas hookup. Let's go on and check it out. Eight-foot door. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2000, 1,807 square feet, just listed for $830 in North Pointe. All plank tile floors, 8-foot interior doors, trowel down walls and ceilings, big open living and kitchen areas, can lights. Let me walk you through the entry here again real quick. So you got your garage access to the left. So real nice tile backsplash on the counters, under lighting, stainless appliances. Real nice piece of granite on the kitchen island. Again, this is all on natural gas. So you have a cooktop. All the cabinets are upgraded with the soft touch close. Little pantry. You have your living room with a double slider out to the backyard. So this is a split floor plan, but all the rooms are on the left side of the house if you're looking at it. You have the master in the rear of the home, has a 8-foot slider out to the backyard. Pretty good size, has the sliding barn door for the bathroom. So you have a master bath with dual sinks, same granite tops, glass door, walk-in shower. You have your water closet with its own door, walk-in closet. Little storage area here to the right. All right, the next room you run into is a double barn door slider, guest bedroom. All 8-foot double door closet sliders. So you have your guest bath, which also Jack and Jill's into the 3rd bedroom like a junior master suite. All same updated cabinets in here as well with the soft touch close. And then you have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. And your typical double slider closet door. So you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. Got your washer and dryer, utility sink, same granite tops in here as well, with some additional double door pantry type storage. Right, so you have a real nice garage setup. You have a 2-car side that's 20 feet deep with a 9-foot insulated door. So that's a bonus right there. Plus you have a 29-foot double wide RV garage that's 73 feet deep with a true 14-foot door. There is AC in here. So you might have heard me say that in order to be called a double wide RV garage, it has to be at least 20 feet wide. This one is 29 feet wide. So you have your soft water heater that's on natural gas, your RO, and a air handler in here. And it also has a rear roll-up door in the back. It also looks like it's 14 feet high with a insulated door as well. You have a man door out to the side yard. And you can see the 2 mini split units cooling it. Very nice setup. So you have a cool little oversized covered back patio. Has can light, LED lights. Got a couple dove eggs. There is room for a pool actually back here. You would probably just need to get it engineered so you can wrap it around the pillars of the covered patio. Doesn't actually cost that much. See the mini split AC condensers. This house has rolled eaves. All pavers. Has drains. Little gate side access, nice and private. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on North Sweet Bay Lane in North Pointe. Again, this one was just listed for $830. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as usual. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.